Hello family, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you the recipe for my mac and cheese, the second in our Thanksgiving series. If you are new to this channel, welcome. To all my new subscribers, I say thank you and welcome to the family. I'm using one box, which is 1 pound of cavatappi. You can use whatever shells you have or like. 4.5 cups of a mix of Gruyere and cheddar cheese. 1/3 cup of flour. I'll use half of that brick of cream cheese. 4 cups of milk. 1 stick of butter. I'll use 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And last but not least will be my crackers for our topping. First thing we're going to do is cook our pasta to just before al dente. Follow the box instructions and you'll be good to go. Alright, I'm cooking that with the 1.5 teaspoons of salt as well as 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm also warming my milk back there because I need it to stay warm for our sauce. So pasta's done, I've drained it out. I'm melting my 1 stick of butter. I'm going to add the flour to that and give that a good whisk. I'll cook it for about 2 minutes. You just want to whisk it really well to get the lumps out and let it cook, whisking in between. If you're not subscribed yet, please feel free to join the family. Hit that red button and I say thank you. My milk is warm, not boiled, so just keep it warm, don't boil it. And we're going to add it to the roux to make our sauce. And just whisk as you add. And then we're going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it start to thicken up. Alright, so that is cooked now. I'm going to add the cream cheese to get that melted. I forgot to tell you that sometimes I use sour cream if I have it at home, which I did on this day, so I added 1/4 cup. This is a really, really rich dish, and I only make it 2 to 3 times a year because it's definitely not your everyday mac and cheese. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the cheeses and just let that melt in. I'll also add 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'll add the pasta, and we are ready to bake this. So we're going to, you can actually eat this just the way it is, but hey, we're going to finish up and pour that into our baking dish, which I lightly lined with some oil. And so, did I say lined? And so I'm going to add the crackers on top to just give us a little bit of a crunch. The oven is heated at 350 degrees. I'm going to toss this in there for about 20 minutes. Just watch it. Once your cheese is boiling and the top is brown, you are good to go. Yum, yum, yum. So let's cut out a piece for you so you can see it. Oh, look at that. Looks really delicious. My niece and nephew love this mac and cheese. So give it a shot, guys. I'll keep bringing you these Thanksgiving recipes. And I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.